Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to share Zara and H&M haul, and Nike of course. So without further ado, let's directly dive into the video. So Nike के मेरे पास दो ही outfits हैं, I mean दो ही articles हैं. So let me share those first. So the first one is this beautiful sports bra in navy blue color, and the second one is this is kind of a quad. So I bought this navy tights along with this. So इन दोनों पे सेम जो है वो आइकन बना हुआ है नाइकी का. सो दीज बोथ टुगेदर लुक्स fabulous, बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखने में. So you will see in the clip how it looks actually on me. And yeah, I bought it from Myntra, and I bought it this sports bra in size medium, and this tights is also in size mediums. And when it comes to sports clothing, I really like Nike as a brand. I mean Nike की fit, Nike का जो look होता है overall, I love it. I mean Nike की tights fits me so well. It gives a beautiful, shaping effect to my thighs. And yeah, this sports bra is also very nice. बहुत अच्छा look देता है. These two together looks really very cool. And yeah, next article I purchased. Let me quickly share this one. I mean मैंने ये waist belt ली थी. So you can see how pretty it looks, and it is in neutral shade. I mean it is in light pinky beige color. So it looks really very fabulous. It is in suede material, and या पीछे इसका इलास्टिकेटेड बैक दिया हुआ है. सो थोड़ा बहुत वेट गेन करोगे आप तो प्रॉब्लम नहीं आने वाली. So moving on to the next article. Next I purchased is this beautiful bustier crop top from H&M. This is in light pista green color, and it has daisy print all over, not daisy, floral print all over fabric. So it looks really very cool, and मेरे पास ऐसा bustier pattern में एक भी top नहीं था. So I thought to buy one, and along with that I purchased this. These are colored trousers or denims, you can say. So these two together looks really very cool. I mean color combination जो है वो बहुत अच्छे से complement करता है एक दूसरे को. You will see in the clip how actually it looks. It looks really very nice. And yeah, I bought this in size small, and let me show you one by one. And yeah, it is in satin finish. The fabric is really very comfortable. It is not stretchable, but it is very comfortable, and it has adjustable straps. I hope you can see. So आप इसको अपनी comfort के हिसाब से adjust कर सकते हो as much as low you want or up. And yeah, it has tie knot pattern at the front, which looks really very cool. And of course it is in bustier pattern, so it gives really very nice shape to the look. And about this denim, I purchased this denim in the size 38, Euro 38, and these are really very comfortable. It fits me really very well. The fabric is nice, and it is very affordable one also. I mean it is priced at rupees 12.99, and I had applied a coupon on it. So I'm a member. I have a membership in H&M, so मुझे 5% 10% always मिलता रहता है डिस्काउंट. सो मैंने इस पर आई थिंक 10% डिस्काउंट अप्लाई किया था कूपन. सो ये मुझे 1100 समथिंग का ही पड़ा था, बट या इट इज़ वेरी कूल. इट लुक्स वेरी कूल, एंड दिस इज़ इन लाइट लाइलैक कलर. सो कलर भी इसका बहुत सूदिंग है, बहुत कूल है. एंड इसको माइंड में रखते हुए मैंने एक और चीज़ ली थी H&M से. लेट मी शो यू. मैंने ये ओवरकोट लिया था H&M से. दिस इज़ इन द साइज़ यूरो स्मॉल, एंड मुझे लगा था कि ये कोट की तरह वर्क करेगा, जो कि थोड़ा बहुत कर भी रहा है. सो मुझे लगा था कि ये कोट की तरह अच्छे से वर्क करेगा, बट कलर थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. बट या इट लुक्स रियली वेरी नाइस. And now talking about this coat, this really look very cool. I mean you will see in the clip how actually it looks, and you can style it in multiple ways. The color is fabulous. It looks really very nice. It goes very well with so many shades, color palettes. So yeah, now there are too many pieces from H&M, so bear with me. Next article I purchased is this crop shirt. this looks so cool, so pretty, and yeah, I also purchased it in size small, and it is very comfortable. It looks really nice, and of course इसको भी कितने सारे तरीके से I can style it, and I can wear it as a jacket also. I mean crop top के ऊपर इसको डाल लिया, so it is going to look very comfortable, and it is in boxy fit. And इससे पहले I have purchased one in shade black, yeah, वो भी H&M से थी. It was also a crop shirt, and it looked so pretty, so beautiful. It is very stylish, so I thought to invest in one more, and मुझे ये चेक, इसकी डिज़ाइन और प्रिंट, ओवरऑल लुक इसका बहुत पसंद आया. एंड दिस इज़ अगेन अ वेरी वर्सेटाइल शेड. आई मीन दिस इज़ इन वाइट एंड ब्लैक कॉम्बिनेशन, सो इट इज़ गोइंग टू गो वेल विथ ऑल माई बॉटम्स. So moving on to the next article. Next I purchased is this beautiful off-shoulder crop top. So you will see in the clip how actually it looks. So it is in the puffy pattern. Puffy ही बोलेंगे ना, I hope. It looks really very stunning, and मैंने इसको बहुत पहले ही मंगा के रखा हुआ था, because I know ऐसी चीज़ें ना H&M की वेबसाइट से ऐसे सोल्ड आउट होती हैं. ये बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट नहीं है, so एक ही प्रॉब्लम है इसमें, you can not put your hands up. I mean आप उठाओगे अपने हाथ और ये टॉप जो है वो उठ जाता है, so ये थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम है इसमें. बट फॉर द लुक दिस इज़ फैबुलस. बहुत खूबसूरत टॉप है ये, एंड या आई कैन नॉट वेट टू वेयर दिस. आई मीन आई वॉन्ट टू स्टाइल इट इन सो मैनी डिफरेंट आउटफिट्स, एंड या आई नो दिस इज़ गोइंग टू लुक फैबुलस. Now moving on to the next article. Next I purchased is this beautiful crop t-shirt. Most of you might have already seen this in my Instagram post. So yeah, this look really very stunning. This is in boxy fit, and I purchased it in size extra small, and yeah, I will mention the pricing here of every product, so don't worry about it. And yeah, talking about this graphic t-shirt, this looks really very stunning. It gives super cool biker effect, I mean bossy effect, and with dark navy blue denim and boots. Yeah, this is going to look fabulous. So moving on to the next article. Next also I purchased is this beautiful graphic t-shirt. This is in loose fit pattern, and it looked really very nice. ये ग्राफिक टी शर्ट मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, एंड द वेरी अट्रैक्टिव थिंग अबाउट दिस इज़ इट्स कलर. इसका जो शेड है, इसका कलर बहुत प्यारा है. आई मीन दिस इज़ इन बेज कलर, लाइट बेज कलर, एंड इट लुक्स सो फैबुलस. आई मीन लाइट ब्लू डेनिम के साथ और शॉर्ट्स के साथ दिस इज़ गोइंग टू लुक फैबुलस. एंड दिस काइंड ऑफ ग्राफिक टी शर्ट्स आर रियली वेरी इन नाउ डेज. यू विल सी दिस काइंड ऑफ t-shirts all over Pinterest and Instagram, social media, हर जगह आपको ये दिखेगा. So of course these are comfortable plus stylish. So next I purchased is this mom fit. 1 minute, let me show you. Mom fit denims from Zara, and this time I purchased a dark wash. So these are in the size 38, and it looked really very stunning. इसका कलर इज़ फैबुलस. ये कलर मेरे पास नहीं था, एंड आई वॉज आइंग फॉर दिस काइंड ऑफ शेड फॉर वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. सो मैं इसमें स्किनी फिट भी ढूंढ रही हूँ जीन्स. आई मीन व्हेन आई सॉ दिस, आई मीन दिस शेड पर्टिकुलर, this looks really very stunning, and this is in mom fit, and mom fit denims are really very in nowadays. I mean crop top के साथ and ट्यूब टॉप के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा फैबुलस लगता है, एंड इसके फिट जो है वो बहुत अच्छी आती है. द मटेरियल इज़ रियली कंफर्टेबल. आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स बहुत ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट और कंफर्टेबल है, and yeah, it is in pure cotton material. It is little bit distressed from the back pocket and from the waistline. So it looks really very stylish. Next I purchased is again from Zara. These are roller shorts, mom shorts from their TRF collection. Yeah, and also these are also in size 38, and of course यू कैन वेयर इट, यू नो, आप इसकी फोल्डिंग खोल के इसको लॉन्ग भी कर सकते हो एंड यू कैन वेयर इट एज इट इज़. दे मेक दीज काइंड ऑफ शॉर्ट्स ऑल ईयर अराउंड. These are their mom fit roller shorts and these are going to be pretty comfortable, so obviously. And now moving on to the more accessories, next I purchased is this beautiful backpack from H&M. So here you can see the very first thing which I was attracted to is this color. This color looks so pretty. I mean, this is in beige color and ये इतना stylish लगता है ना. This is going to go with all my outfits. किसी भी कलर के साथ this is going to go really very well until वो बहुत ज़्यादा cool color हो. I mean, this is kind of a warm tone. So, but this looks so cool and this is very spacious also. I mean, आप देख सकते हो कितना spacious है ये. And the quality is also very nice, build quality, chain, pockets. So it has 3 pockets. One is this and one is main compartment which is very spacious, and the third one is this cute sa chotu sa side pocket. So it looked really very appealing on the website. तो मुझे लगा कि next I purchased is this beautiful cap. This cap is really cool and इसको shit अभी एडजस्ट नहीं है ये मेरे बालों में. या एंड इट इज़ इन वाइट कलर, सो बहुत ही ज़्यादा न्यूट्रल शेड है एंड इट लुक्ड रियली वेरी कूल. यू कैन सी एंड आई एम फैन ऑफ कैप्स. मुझे कैप पहनना बहुत पसंद है. समहाउ मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कैप पहनना. तो yeah, I purchased one for me and it is in white shade, so इसको बहुत ज़्यादा careful होके पहनना पड़ेगा, otherwise it is going to go dirty. So last article I purchased from H&M is this beautiful क्या Alice band, right? This hairband. But I don't know if I'm convinced with this product because इसका कलर बहुत ही ज़्यादा ऑफ लगा मुझे. So I will see if I'll return it or keep it. You will know eventually. अगर मुझे पहने हुए देख लिया next video में, so definitely I have kept it. So you guys tell me what should I do? I should keep it or I should return it? I'm not sure about the color, but it looks pretty good on camera, right? So here the haul is complete. Let me know how did you like this video and I will see you all guys in my next video very soon. Till then, take care, bye bye, and yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So please hit the subscribe button. I will see you all next time. Bye bye.